Well, hello there. This episode was pre-recorded on January 29th, 2020. Now remember, stay all right.
Hey, how you doing? Mr.Po couldn't be here today, but I'm his apprentice, Mr.Po. And today, we're going to be popping some questions and giving out prizes. All right. Hi, I'm in the Brentwood Public Library teen room, and I'm going to be asking some questions to these amazing, beautiful teens. The first person I'm going to question, will he get a prize? Will he not? Juan.
How did you know my name?
He was a past person. And what is your name?
Philip.
Anna Marie.
Elizabeth.
Shanna.
River.
All right. Do you guys read books?
Yeah, that's why we come to the library.
Yeah.
Yes.
Of course.
Definitely.
Heck yeah.
Okay. I have a question. Where the Crawdads Sing by Delia Owens was a 2019 bestseller and is available now to borrow as an ebook or an audiobook on Overdrive. Which of these is not an alternate word for crawdad? A. Crayfish. B. Crawfish. C. Catfish. Or D. Mudbugs.
I don't know.
B.
D. Mudbugs.
No.
Say C.
C.
All right. You guys answered the question correctly.
Catfish.
Catfish? All right. You know what they're gonna win? They got themselves the limited edition Mr.Po bars.
Yo.
Congrats these guys. You guys know your stuff. They know their fish. And do you know what you get?
Candy.
Candy.
Not just any candy. A limited edition Mr.Po bar candy.
What'd you say?
Yeah.
Thank you.
How do you feel about getting the limited edition Mr.Po bar?
It's kind of late, not gonna lie.
This is sick. Wait,
Do you know about Hoopla Digital?
Hoopla. Can you guys cook?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you can cook. Now, what is your names?
My name is Sophie. Mary Annie.
Perfect. Now, let me tell you. Every month, we offer a variety of cooking workshops for children, teens, and adults. These classes are a great way to discover new recipes and learn new techniques, all while having fun with other Brentwood residents.
Well, hold on now. We at the Brentwood Public Library are offering online cooking classes. Visit the link in the description to sign up now. Thank you.
Now, here is your culinary themed question. How many teaspoons are in 1 tablespoon?
I don't know.
I have no idea. I don't know. Ask her. 2?
No.
2 cucharaditas.
No. Son tres.
8, I guess.
No. I'm sorry. But it's okay though. Because you just got yourself an A bar. Show the camera what you got.
Got an A bar, that's right.
And you know what A stands for?
Amazing.
All right. Here is your classic board game question. The original version on Monopoly was based on the streets of which American city? Coney Island, Atlantic City, Chicago, or Santa Monica?
C.
Chicago? No.
Chicago?
No. I'm sorry.
Chicago?
No.
Atlantic City?
All right. You answered the question correctly. How do you feel?
Pretty good.
You'll be feeling way better when you get yourself your hands on a limited edition Mr.Po bar. How do you feel?
Still pretty good.
What are you going to do with the limited edition Mr.Po bar?
Probably eat it.
All right. That was Mr. Popo for you. How are you feeling today?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good. I'm Mr. Popo. Can I ask what your name is?
My name's Danielle.
Irvin Sanchez. Elvis Lazo.
Daniel Orgetta. Ben Dover.
Danielle, have you heard about Brain Fuse?
No.
Well, Brain Fuse is a one-on-one homework help that has an awesome resource and includes tutoring in English and Spanish, practice tests, and a writing lab. You can check out Brain Fuse on our website. Which of the following states is not on the Gulf of Mexico? Texas, Florida, or Georgia?
Georgia.
Georgia. Georgia.
Is it Georgia? Yes, it is! It's Georgia!
Georgia.
All right! Do you know what you just got yourself?
I don't.
You got yourself a limited edition Mr.Po bar.
Thank you.
Show the camera. She got a Mr.Po bar. How do you feel?
I feel great.
And where are you?
I'm at the Brentwood Public Library.
All right. Brentwood Public Library. See you next time. All right.